Greetings, my name is Bernard Spanda. Here I'm going to demonstrate how to use Cardano property solutions. You are going to learn how to fractionalize and tokenize selling property, selling houses, selling land, selling flats. Here is the application here, cardanopropertysolutions.co, which is ready. I'm going to go through this platform demonstrating how Cardano now is capable of doing tokenization with regard property. The first thing that is required are 3 accounts. I'm going to demonstrate using 3 different accounts. So let's register 3 different accounts quickly. This is account 1. This will be the first person to sell. Account 1 at oxygen.co. And we'll use the same password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for demo. Then I'll create a second one, account 2. This is account 2 at oxygen.co. Same password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for demo purposes. Last account 3, account 3 at oxygen.co. Same password for testing. Now I've got 3 accounts. So the first thing now is to log in using the first account. So I'm going to use the first account 1. Log in. Now I've logged in. The first person wants to sell a house. The first thing is to list the house. So let's go to this button here, post property. Let us enter a demo house details here. Right. I'm going to type here house for sale in US dollars. It's going to be 2,000 US dollars. Give it a street, King Kong Street. NY. So here's got 4 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, 3 baths. For now, I'll leave those details. Right, this is 2 million. 1, 2, 3. How big is this? We can change this to 1.2. Acres. Then we can just enter any detail here. Right, we are done. Let's get a picture for this house. Under pictures. Yeah, go to houses, pictures. Right. Can reuse this picture. Then we list. Then now we need to use another account. Right. I think let us finish with account 1. Now account 1 has got a house. account 1 now can now fractionalize and tokenize and sell shares. But here's the first thing. We've got 2,000 total tokens or shares for sale on this 2 million house. And then the price for each at the moment is 1,000. We can increase the tokens there and decrease the price. Then now it means one share is 100. If you want more shares, you can increase the quantity that you are purchasing. So let us mint share tokens. So this is going to be property ID 72. Property ID is coming from the token registry office. So let's go through it. We are now minting property share tokens. Be patient, things might fail. First, let's do setup 1 out of 3. Setup was done successfully. Next, we built and submit the transaction to the Cardano blockchain. This is step 2. Right, it was successful. Now we are given a box to mint tokens. So we are going to mint PIT72 share FT tokens, 20,000 of them. So let me sign for this. Congratulations, transaction building and submission was a success. Cardano property share tokens will be on my wallet. I'll show you which wallet is going to be used here. Let's click OK. All right. Let's check which wallet was selected by this. Let's check here. 1 minute ago, we have minted 20,000 property shares as fungible token. So now let me reload. So you can see here now, I cannot mint again because I've got these. They are on my NAMI wallet. If I check on my NAMI wallet, I should be having these. Let's search for them. There we have. Yes, it's a property ID 72 share FT. Right, our next step is to sell them in batches on the market. Currently, they are in my wallet. So let's go to listing. I'm still account 1. Right, let's check here. Look, we have got property ID 72. And this house is for 2 million. It has got 20,000 shares and each one is 100 ADA. So I am going to sell the first 2,000 at the same price. So let's do that. Are you sure you want to sell 2,000 tokens? Okay. Sell transaction now started. We are setting up prerequisites. That is important. Prerequisite setup done successfully. Next, we build and submit the transaction port to the Cardano blockchain. 2. Right, let me stay connected. Right, this last part failed because I didn't get anything to sign. Let's see the message that came out of this application. Right, it says what? Inputs do not conform, otherwise invalid. This sometimes does show, and then when you reload the page and you try again, it disappears. So we can try again now, go through the same selling process. 1 out of 2, 2 out of 3. All right, so this failed now again. How about if we reduce the price? Sometimes what causes this is there will be something that is not ready. Let's try that part. Let's try that part. It fails again. Okay. We have failed to sell with this property. To troubleshoot, we can look for another property which was listed before. Okay, under this account, we can change this account. Let's go to test 4. Right, under test 4, let's use that account again to try to sell our tokens. Right, let's go with 2000, sell token shares. Now says the base address. Okay, now differs. This is correct because now I cannot sell this. This is a different person. This one who can sell that is the first person. Let me try one more time. As we see these things running here. Right. Okay, let's change to another account so that we are sure where the problem is. Let us look for another account. Let's use this account. Right, this account has got sold houses already. Let's go to the listed properties. Right, there are 2 properties where this account can sell. This one, property ID 70. Let's try to sell 135 using this one. Let's see if it will succeed. Here it is saying it is incorrect. Let's test this one. Let's try. Oh, it's a different owner. So when we were creating this, it created a bug from what we see. Okay, let me use the last account. Which was working. Then we can, so let's use this account. We log in. Let's see which properties do I have here. 78. Actually it's 32, 43, two of these accounts. But let me see if these ones, no, they don't. I've got this one here, which is even, yeah, we have got one here. Okay, I'm going to check for the error. At the moment, we cannot troubleshoot and fix it. This is a user end testing area. This is where we are. Let's sell 25 on this account. Okay, let's go through the same process. Let's see this one. Okay, so it failed. Some error. All right, we are going to jump this step. We go to the next step of buying these that already exist. We'll fix this listing of shares. Later you can see we've got so many already listed here. We've been buying these. So let me switch back to account 1. Or let me log in as account. No, I don't need to log in this case. I need to log out. I've got a lace. Let me use lace. To buy this token. So now I'm going to close. So now I'm going to close. So now I've got lace. With this account. But let me try to buy. First, let me authorize lace on this account. Always. Okay. Now we've got different shares we can buy. Right. Perfect. Let's start with the first one. This one for 71. So with this one, there are 1,870 shares. One is 1,000. Currently now on sale is 100. Let's buy one. Start. Buy one property share. Processing by property tokens begins. Be patient. Things might fail. We've seen it before. First, we set up prerequisites. Now, we go on to building and submitting the transaction. Yes, this one went through. So we can check here. We are buying one PIT71. Right, let us confirm. Sign and see if we will receive it. All done. Well done. See, they now we've managed to buy one. Right, let us check. There is the transaction hash. Let's check on the, there it went through. Let's look at it closely. So you can see There is the property ID 71 share in FT quantity 1. And there is the inline datum. What do we see on the inline datum? See the price. See all these details. Okay. Right, the next thing here, let's check our wallet on Lace wallet. In the Lace wallet, there I've got now that token, quantity 1. Right, I want to head over and resell this because I bought it. I want to resell it. Right, we go to the resell part here. Let's click OK. Just wait a couple of minutes. There you are. It is showing. See, property 71. I've got 1 now that I can sell from my wallet. Yes, I'm going to sell that. It is only 1, so I'm going to select 1. Now, it was 100, I'm going to sell it for 120, so that I make a profit of 20. Just sell the token. Are you sure I want to sell 1 token at 120? Yet. Say OK. First step. Right, let's check here. We are stuck after the first step. Says cannot read property of undefined written asset name. Right here, we've got a sell asset shares index and troubleshoot this. Yeah, let's check what index is this. Let's try again. So we've got another bug. Right, let's check here. Assets, yeah, there it is. Asset 1. Found it. Let's check the let's check the value assets. Where's the assets? It is there. So what is the index? Let's check this one. So its index is 0. Set a hex name. Right. So we couldn't sell here. Go to this pack. So in this case, this is the second pack that I will need to fix. Then get back onto this testing again. Right, I've got some other tokens from Nami wallet. Let me see if I can resell them. Switch to test 2. Test 2, I did mint quite a lot of these PF tokens for property sales. There are so many of them. Let me check again so that when I fix this, I really know where the problem is. So this one should now give me more tokens. I have more tokens from Nami Wallet. 2, 3, 4, 5. Can select any of these. Let me select the first one. 20,000, 2068. Let me resell 20 of them at 120 price. But let's run through this one. See if we can manage. There we managed to get to step 2. Well done. There we managed to get to step 2. You see, so this feature is working. Could be some settings on the wallets that differ from wallet to wallet. If we see here, you see, I'm going to sell 20. I'm losing 20 of these, call it PID 41 share FT. So I'm selling 20, I'm reselling 20. So let's sign and see if it will go through. Perfect. So there it is worked now. What have I done? I've managed to resell 20 of my PID 41 share tokens. So in this case now, here is the transaction hash. See there, it worked. Let's get down here. You can see I have sent to the smart contract PID 41 share tokens. There it is. And there's a datum there. Okay, cool. Now let us move on to the next part, the last part. We check our 20 tokens that we have just sold now, that they are on the market for resale. Right. So here, be patient, processing, loading property share tokens from Cardano blockchain. 1 out of 2. Right, let's check here. So this has loaded all tokens that are being resold. So we had 41 there and we selected 20. Okay, let's check. There we have it. See, I've managed to resell 20 of 41 and it's working. See, now, can I change the account? Maybe I can even go back to Lace and see, using a Lace account, a different person can buy. I want to rule out that Lace is not working fully with this app so that I can check Y. So on the Lace account, I've got 1. I managed to buy 1. But can I buy a token that is being on resale, which is this one here? All right, let us say, let's say Lace wants to buy 4. Yes. So in this case, I hit buy. Okay. Let me check. It's a third bug now. It is this bug now. It says what? Unquote, cannot read properties of anti-found written. Send message, content script, bang. Send message. Capture this error. Check it later. Let's go to list of bugs. Okay, let me list it here. All right. Let me run it again. Let's try again. So it want to buy 4. This time it went to number 1. See, this time it managed to go to step 2 out of 3. Okay, let's run this. Hey, you see now, I am buying tokens that are on resale. Let's see if it will work. Yes. Sign again. Hey, it worked. You see now. It means now on my Lace wallet is working. It was testing Lace for the first time. Right. There it says cannot set properties of a null setting this. Oh yes, this is the TX hash. I need to fix the TX hash on this one here. But let me add this error down here. Let's check. My Lace wallet. Right. Under my Lace wallet, I must have 2 tokens now. Yes, I've got 2 tokens. Expand it. Put it. There we go. Right. So far, we are done. So what have we done on the testing part? We started by logging in as an agent or somebody selling a house. It was quick. I'll just show it here. Then we minted tokens. There were some bugs which I'm going to list. Then after minting tokens, we went to this part to list. This part is working, but there is a bug that must be fixed on the listing part, on the selling of tokens part. This part, for some reason, it failed. So making it not possible to test the cancel and update. But it has been working all along because you can see so many tokens to buy here. They have been listed for sale. Then next thing, we went on to test buying tokens from this market using another wallet like Lace. Did manage to buy, and then we did manage to resell this part here. Did manage to resell, but we did not manage to resell this token using Lace. We managed to resell this token using Nami. So there is a bug there that must be fixed. And then after reselling, we found the token that we were reselling here under this last one. There it is. So this token with property ID 41, we were able to resell it and also to get another person to buy it. So here are the tags for this test. Going to list down the tags for this text. Right, the things that must be fixed. Number one, right, listing tokens on market for sale failed. Okay, so there is a bug to be fixed there. Number two, reselling tokens. It works with some wallets and fails with other wallets. So that I need to fix that. Another thing that I didn't check is seller value must be correct. When I buy one, I must see the seller receiving his or her amount. That is the next thing to check. Right. Then the last thing to do is to retest all steps again and fix bugs until the app is running as expected. Right. As a conclusion, basically this app is a Cardano app that works. It is not working fully as per demo, but it is working. It has got the blockchain part. We see the explorers tokens on sale via smart contracts. And then we see also on our wallets these tokens listed think that's it for today. Okay. Anyone can test. This is available on GitHub. This is where it's hosted. So I'll upload the latest changes here. But if you want to test this where you are, source code will be available here. But if you want to test on your own and see, here is the URL Cardano Property Solutions.io demo. Right. Thank you. Going to close this. I'm going to stop sharing. Then I'm going to stop the video recording. Thank you.